Hello everyone, my name is Deepak and I am a research scholar at Indian Institute of Management. I welcome you all on Phaipedia online learning platform. So in today's video, I am going to tell you about the upcoming series, a complete roadmap for the PhD admission year 2027. So this is the PhD admission series 2027 which will be launching soon on our YouTube channel. So you can watch the videos related to the PhD admission guidelines, PhD admission criteria, how to prepare for the PhD admission and many more. We will discuss about that things in this video. So I am launching this series on behalf of the demand I got or the mail I got on Phaipedia@gmail.com through the students. So most of the students mailed me regarding the series for the PhD admission series 2027. So I am making this video on behalf of that. So, if you are new to our YouTube channel, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel Phaipedia for such conferences, both international and national, both faculty development programs, many more about the PhD admissions notification, PhD admission criteria, and many more about the research work. We make videos on this kind of topics, so you can watch this video and also share with your friends. Okay, so let's start today's video in which we will discuss about how what this series is all about and how you can get admission into the IIM. So, if you are confused about your PhD admission, the first step is knowing what you need to prepare. And this is the very important point you should consider, like why. First question is why you want to do PhD, which I make a separate video not to do PhD. You can watch on our YouTube channel. So first is which institute should I apply to? Second one is which entrance exams are you required. So we will discuss in detail about the different criteria you have to fulfill before applying to the PhD program. How do I find the right research area? How to find out the research gap? We will discuss in this series because you have to prepare a statement of purpose or the research proposal for applying to the PhD admission. So you should have a research area in which you have to work in future. Although it can change or it may change in future, but for the interview point of view, you have a particular research area at that time. So I will tell you how to find out the research area. I will also tell you how to write a research proposal. I have already made a video on this topic, but I will discuss in detail in this series about how to write a research proposal. Or also the most important thing is how to prepare for the interview, because most of the IIMs conduct the two round of interviews. Okay, first one is panel and second one is area specific. And most of the IIMs conduct one exam, two interviews. Most of the IIM conduct one exam, one interview. So different IIMs have different criteria for the admission. So we will discuss in detail in this series. Also, where can I find the fellowship and funding? This is the most important for the students because the scholarship they will get from and how much scholarship they will get, what are the facilities they will get during their PhD program. It is the main concern for most of the students. So I will discuss these things also. Now, introducing the PhD admission series 2027, a step-by-step series designed to take you from I want to do PhD to I got admitted. So if you are applying for the PhD admission or PhD program for year 2027, you must watch this video or stay tuned with Phaipedia channel, because this will help you 100% to prepare and apply and succeed. So four things are there. First one is plan, second one is prepare, third one is apply, and fourth one is succeed. Okay. Now inside this series, what we will going to discuss, so everything you need to approach PhD admission strategically. Strategically, you need to apply for the PhD admission. PhD eligibility and admission process we will discuss. Top institutes and programs we will discuss from where you can do the PhD. Entrance exams and important dates we will discuss. We make videos on the PhD notifications up to date so that you get information sudden or the at the time before the deadline. Finding the right PhD topic. research proposal writing, SOP and application strategy, interview preparation, fellowship and funding options, and common mistakes to avoid. This is the most important point everyone have to consider. And we will tell you on based of our experience and our colleagues, our friends' experience, like what or which common mistakes you should avoid while applying for the PhD or while appearing for the interview or the exam for the PhD admission. So all these things, the entrance exam important dates and the fellowship and funding you will get online, but these things like how to prepare SOP, how to write a research proposal, interview preparation, common mistakes to avoid, you will get only in this series. Your PhD admission journey. So what we will do, so this roadmap will be there. So explore, then shortlist, prepare, apply, research proposal, interview, and then admission. These are the 7 steps you will get while admission to the PhD journey. So first you will explore that which IIM and IIT are you can apply to. Then you will shortlist. You will prepare like out of the different IIM and IITs you will shortlist some of them, and then you will prepare for that, and then you will apply for those IIM and IIT. You will make a research proposal during that, and you will go to the interview or the exam, and then you will get an admission. And definitely you will get admission if you prepare hard and stay tuned. So this series is for you if whether you are just exploring or already preparing, or the final year student from any degree, postgraduate student, working professionals, NET JRF aspirants, MBA, MTech, MA, MSc graduates, and anyone planning a PhD in 2027. So no matter where you are in your journey, it starts from here and you will get admission. You will fulfill your dream and your family's dream. Why follow Phaipedia? So basically, this is the practical, research-focused and student-centric platform where the IIM and IIT alumni help different students who are applying to different PhD programs, MTech program, MBA program, and basically this series is for the PhD program, but we discuss about the MTech and MBA program also. And this platform built by the alumni of different IIM and IIT. So you will get real insights, practical guidance beyond the generic advice. So you will get real insights, step by step, clear explanation from the application to interview, and you will get a or you will build a strong research and academic decisions because we focus on research mostly. And then the application strategy like apply smarter, avoid common mistakes because we have already done those mistakes. So why you want to do? We will tell you don't do that type kind of mistakes. So you will prepare. Okay, so this is the series all about the PhD admission 2027, and so you can follow, subscribe, or turn on the notification. Okay, so that you can get the notification related to the latest video uploaded on our Phaipedia YouTube channel, and start learning, start preparing, start your journey with Phaipedia team. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.